Hi, I'm Mitchell Kass, a licensed realtor in New York and New Jersey, and I specialize in lakefront homes and lake communities. If you're thinking about buying a home near a lake, there's one system you're almost guaranteed to encounter, and that's a septic system. Septic systems are extremely common in lake communities, but for many buyers, they're also one of the most misunderstood parts of a home. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what a septic system is, how it works, and what you should know and do before making an offer on a home that relies on one. Why septic systems are common in lake communities. Most lake communities are located in areas without access to municipal sewer systems. Instead of a public sewer, homes use private septic systems to safely treat and disperse wastewater on the property. These systems are not unusual, unsafe, or outdated, but they do require a basic understanding and proper maintenance. Knowing how they work can make the difference between a smooth purchase and unexpected surprises later on. How a septic system works. Basic overview. At its core, a septic system has three main parts: the septic tank, the distribution system, and the leach field. Wastewater from the home flows into the septic tank, where solids settle and separate from liquids. The liquid then flows out into the leach field, where it is naturally filtered through the soil. When properly designed and maintained, this process is safe, efficient, and environmentally sound. What buyers should know before making an offer. Before making an offer on a home with a septic system, there are a few critical things to understand. First, not all septic systems are the same. Age, design, soil conditions, and proximity to the lake all matter. Some systems are conventional, while others may be engineered or upgraded to meet environmental regulations. Second, a septic inspection is essential. This is not something you want to skip or rush. A proper inspection can identify the system type, condition, and any potential issues that could affect your decision or negotiations. Third, understand that repairs or replacements can be costly, and timelines can be impacted by permitting and local health department approvals, especially in lake communities with strict environmental standards. Common red flags to watch for. There are also some red flags buyers should be aware of, including a lack of maintenance records, systems that haven't been inspected in many years, or signs of failure such as slow drains, odors, or wet areas in the yard. This is where having the right professionals and the right realtor matters. Why this matters in lakefront real estate. Lakefront properties are unique. Environmental regulations, setback requirements, and water quality protections all play a role in how septic systems are designed, repaired, or replaced. Understanding these factors before you're under contract helps you make a more informed offer and avoid surprises during the inspection or approval process. Closing. Whether you're buying a luxury lakefront home or a weekend retreat, understanding the septic system is a critical part of protecting your investment. My goal is to help you make confident, informed decisions when buying in lake communities across New York and New Jersey. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or reach out if you're considering a lakefront property. I'm always happy to help take the mystery out of the process.